Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to overcast conditions across the area this morning. Seeing a few spotty showers out there as well this morning. But overall, not much precipitation as those showers will start to thin out as we get into the afternoon hours today. And only seeing an isolated chance of some showers for the afternoon hours. No chance of lightning today other than a 10% chance from noon till 1600 local, 4 p.m. this afternoon. That's a very slight chance of occurring and most likely won't see it across our area. So taking a look at our freezing level from this morning's balloon, 13,600 feet. Looking at the winds, strongest in the low levels of the northeast at 23 knots, and seeing the winds die off and becoming fairly light around 16,000 feet, then backing up into the low 20s for our winds out of the southwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a weak low off of our coast that could become a tropical depression or a tropical storm as it moves away from the east coast the next 24 to 48 hours. We have a weak boundary across the region in combination with the moisture coming in off the Atlantic, and that boundary we are seeing those showers across the area this morning, as well as a good amount of low-level cloudiness. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see that low clouds streaming in off the ocean, and you can see the upper level flow pushing in the higher level clouds in the southwest as well. So seeing a good amount of cloud cover out there this morning. Could see a few peaks of sunshine this afternoon with the low level cloud cover possibly eroding slightly, but overall going to see primarily a cloudy day and perhaps mostly cloudy from time to time this afternoon. Taking a look at our camera shot this morning, you can see the low-level cloud cover across the region as well as that upper or mid-level cloud cover, and seeing those tides slightly above normal. It's about a half to 1 foot above normal currently, so seeing some higher tides out there as well. Taking a look at our HRRR model for today, you can see the scattered isolated showers, and looks like this afternoon the bulk of the activity is going to be Wicomico County north and west, with those possibility of more convective type showers this afternoon across that area. Slight chance we see something at Wallops, but most likely will remain to our north and to our west. Moving into the overnight hours, we'll see some low-level clouds build back in, and then by tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy conditions and some good weather expected for our Saturday. Taking a look at the European model the next few days, you can see that low departing off in the northeast tonight into tomorrow with good conditions expected tomorrow. Could see some scattered to isolated showers or thunderstorms across the bay over the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region tomorrow, but overall shouldn't see that across the Delmarva. And then for Sunday, Europeans still trying to show that pop-up shower thunderstorm on Sunday. Not looking like that'll be a likely scenario, and that's the only model that's showing it. So most likely we'll stay dry on Sunday. Can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunderstorm on Sunday, but most likely will not occur. And then for Monday, looks like dry conditions, high pressure moves off over New England. That's going to give us more return flow off the water. And then for Tuesday, much the same. And then Wednesday, we'll see a fairly potent cold front starting to approach from the west. And here's Wednesday afternoon. You can see some showers off to our west, possibly seeing those moving in off the ocean for us on Wednesday afternoon, but only a slight chance of occurring. And we'll see the timing of this front waffle in the next few days, but most likely looks like that cold front will cross Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and that's going to give us a good chance of some rainfall, possibly some heavier rainfall for Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and we should see things start to clear out fairly quickly for Thursday afternoon with some cool air moving in for Thursday and into Friday of next week. Going to see some lows possibly in the 50s for our Friday morning into next weekend. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, best chance of rain showers come this morning, and then we'll see those rain showers start to kind of thin out this afternoon, as I mentioned, with the best chance north and west of our region. We'll see those winds gusting a little bit more this afternoon and later this morning with those peaks of sunshine possible. That allow us to mix down some winds and seeing winds possibly gusting as high as 25 knots. We'll see those winds die down tonight at north at 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning. Highs today will be in the upper 70s, lows tonight in the upper 60s. So a fairly tranquil temperature regime, not seeing anything too warm or too cool in the next 24 hours. And we'll see those low-level clouds remaining in the region today. As I mentioned, a 10% chance of a thunderstorm from 12 to 1600 local, but most likely won't occur. And if we do see any thunderstorms, they look like they should be north and west of our region. And then for our overnight hours, we're going to see our low-level cloud cover build back in as we see a break this afternoon with a broken deck to an overcast deck around 1,000 feet. Possibility we see some lower visibilities with an overcast deck at 600 feet overnight. Then by tomorrow morning, should see some partly cloudy conditions as the skies start to really clear out nicely for our Saturday. And by Saturday afternoon, should see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies with ceilings rising above 3,000 feet, looks like right now. As far as our tides, we're looking at a half to 1 foot above normal. And for Saturday, chance of morning low clouds, then mostly to partly cloudy, high of 83 degrees. Saturday night, mostly clear and cooler, low of 66. And for Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, high of 82 degrees. Green charts across the board, other than that chance of some ceilings lower than 500 feet on Saturday morning. That's only a slight chance of occurring. As I mentioned, Sunday, the European keeps on popping up a shower across our region Sunday afternoon. Not buying into that right now, but can't rule out a pop-up shower on Sunday. Then the next 7 days, looking at pretty tranquil weather. Temperatures slightly above normal for this time of year from now through Wednesday. Really seeing dry conditions from Saturday through Tuesday. Can't rule out some patchy morning fog on Monday and Tuesday. Earlier this week, it looked like it was going to be a better chance for those days, but right now, looks like only slight chances of occurring. We'll see our overnight lows back into the mid-60s for Sunday and Monday morning. Then we'll see a slightly warmer trend for Wednesday as that cold front approaches. 25% chance of a shower on Wednesday afternoon. And then looks like Wednesday night into Thursday comes our best chance of rainfall, capping that at 70% right now. But looks like rain will be likely during that time frame. And cooler temperatures expected on Thursday, only a high of 69 degrees. So taking a quick look at the tropics and the National Hurricane Center. This is the next 5 days and what they're highlighting. The system off our coast will be moving northeast. 70% chance of that becoming a tropical depression or tropical storm in the next 24 to 48 hours. And then looking at our next disturbance over the open Atlantic, giving it a 70% chance the next 5 days of forming into a tropical depression or tropical storm. So we'll continue to monitor this disturbance over the open Atlantic. Right now, models are continuing to trend that with a recurve out to the ocean, open ocean, with that front coming through for next Wednesday as it approaches the Bahamas. But we'll keep an eye on it. And I hope everybody has a great weekend, enjoying the fairly tranquil weather we have for this time of year. And we'll be back on Monday morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.